Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to talk about the 3 quick ways to change administrator in Windows 11. Changing administrator in Windows 11 is a pretty simple and straightforward affair. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, I'm going to show you how to change administrator via the settings app. To do so, first off you have to launch the settings app on your computer, and then you have to click on accounts in the left sidebar, and then you have to choose the other users option. And under other users, you have to select the user you want to change, and then you have to click on the change account type option, and in the drop down menu you have to select administrator, and then you have to hit the OK option to confirm the action, and that's about it. And now it's time to learn how to change administrator via the control panel. To do so, you have to press the Windows plus R keyboard shortcut, and then you have to type control and hit enter. And then you have to click on user accounts, and then you have to select manage another account option, and then you have to choose the account you want to make an administrator, and then you have to click on change the account tab option, and then you have to select administrator option, and finally you have to hit the change account tab, and that's pretty much it. And finally, it's time to learn how to change administrator via the command prompt on Windows 11. To do so, you have to press the Windows plus S keyboard shortcut, and then you have to type CMD, and then you have to right click and select run as administrator, and then you have to type the following command and hit enter, and then you have to replace the username with the name of the account you want to make an administrator, and that's pretty much it. So these are the 3 quick ways to change administrator in Windows 11 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.